What's up, guys? So I just want to talk about heating the shop real quick. I'm working in a garage, standard 2-car garage. This little electric space heater just wasn't getting it done. So I just ran out to Lowe's and picked up a Craftsman Propane. It's a 60,000 BTU. I have no idea what that means, but you can go look it up and figure it out for yourself. So I'm gonna plug this in. I got a thermostat up on the wall and we're gonna see if it heats the shop up effectively. So let's do it. So in the box, you have the heater that has a plug. This is not a cordless model, but for $109, I don't really think that you can beat it. So it just comes with a plug and then the hookup to the propane. So we'll get it hooked up. All right, so the heater is hooked into the propane tank, just a blue Rhino tank that I got from Lowe's for 45 bucks, and it's the swap system, so very cost efficient there as well. It's about 48 degrees right now in the shop, so I'm gonna plug it in and we will see how long it takes to get to a comfortable temperature in here. So when I fired this thing up, it was sub 50 degrees in here. After 20 minutes or so, it got above 60. I had it on setting 2 for the majority of that time because I didn't check. So when I turned it to setting 3, it heated up a lot faster. I ventilated the space like it says to do so in the little safety manual. So make sure you follow the directions there because carbon monoxide, that's a real thing. But for the heater and the propane tank, I was out the door for about 150 bucks from my local Lowe's Home Improvement. I don't really think that you can beat that for heating up a small shop or a garage. So if you guys are looking for a heating solution for your small shop, I hope that this video helps. That was the only intention here. I've been on the fence about one of these for a long time, and I got some recommendations from some fellow woodworkers that have small shops, and they said that the propane heater works great. And so far, I think I have to agree. So thank you guys for watching. I'll do some tool reviews like this from time to time, just on products that I think everyone can benefit from. So if you liked the video and enjoyed it, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And if you have any questions about the specifications of this, don't ask me. Look it up on the internet because that's what it's there for. So until next time, see you guys.